How to withdraw BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. First thing first, head over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your login credentials, as in your passcode or the Face ID, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In this page, tons of different cryptos will be available to you. You have to search for BNB. Once you have found it, head over to it. Different menus will appear: send, receive, buy, and swap. In order to withdraw, what you want to do is click on send. You have to enter some of the information. In order to enter the address, what you want to do is minimize this app and head over to your application Binance. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Click on deposit at the top right corner and then click on deposit crypto. In the search bar, you have to search for BNB. Select BNB Beacon Chain Network. This interface will appear. In this page, you will get to see QR code and the address. Simply copy the address. Once the address has been copied, go back to your previous page and paste it in the address or domain name section. After that, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you are done, click on next at the bottom. Follow the on-screen prompt and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can withdraw BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.